I wish I did.
Oh my gosh. We totally licked each other's tongues. Because I was not licking the
Natalie.
Oh, I think I just peed myself.
Dude, I'd be fucking sick if you just woke up and was like, what the fuck?
Let's get the fuck to sleep.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, ready?
Do this on camera mode. We gotta make a story.
Once upon a time.
Oh my god.
Let's make a real.
Oh my god, what's that in the woods?
Oh. What is it? Hey. What are you doing?
Making this project. There used to be switches in my woods.
And which project?
The Envy. Lego project. She lives in the woods. Oh my god. It's too dark.
Alright, watch out. Behind you now.
We're setting up camp. We're waiting for the witches to come.
Dude, we're part of the fire.
Completely. This video sucks. Pretty much. Gotta kill somebody or something. Okay. Let's go roast Sheila.
Guys, do you know how ridiculous it looks? Dude, I want to take a picture.
Ready? We gotta end this video.